Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. I have brought some important information for you today. If you are also facing a similar issue, you can fix it yourself without calling a welder. As you can see in the video, first I provided wooden support at the bottom and the top. Then I pushed it outward from the middle with force. I repeated this step a few times. After that, I placed a wooden support inside and pressed it inward from the top and bottom. Finally, I added wooden support in the middle and pushed it inward again from the top and bottom. When I checked, the issue was resolved. If you are facing the same problem, you can fix it yourself too. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.